Super Kids TV.
Learn healthy habits. Wash your hands. Wash your hands daily. It is good and safe for your health. Brush your teeth. Brushing teeth is safe and healthy. Take bath daily. Taking bath daily gives us refreshness and cleanliness. Eat healthy meals which are full of minerals and vitamins. Exercise regularly. By doing exercise, we are happy and active. Early to bed and early to rise are good habits. These habits make us good managers. Drink water. Drinking a lot of water makes us healthy and active. Do not eat too much sweets. It can damage our health and teeth. Comb your hair twice a day. Combing hair is a part of our cleanliness. Wear clean clothes. Wearing clean clothes gives us positivity. Trim your nails on time. Trimming nails prevent us from disease and dirt. Clean your ears after taking bath. Cleaning ear is a part of our cleanliness. Pray regularly. Praying regularly gives us positive emotions. Say Bismillah before dining and dine with family and do not waste food. Do not litter. Keep clean your environment and use trash box for wastage. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.